Alright, as you may know, today the new iPad 3 was released, and if you didn't want to wait in line, you did what I did and went with pre-ordering it, having it delivered to your home today. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and give you my first impressions and a quick comparison to the old iPad 2. Let's get started here. Now this is called the new iPad. I'm calling it iPad 3 because that's what it is. And it looks like this box comes from China originally. These nice protective coverings. And here's the iPad itself, or the Apple packaging anyway. Has a little iCloud sticker there and an Apple logo. Go ahead and open it up. I think. Try not to break it, you know, as you're opening the box. So here it is. Looks very similar to the iPad 2. Here's the iPad itself. And it comes with this little package which contains some instructions and a product guide, charging cable, power source or power adapter, and that's all that comes in the box. Power adapter and the iPad. It looks like it doesn't actually come with headphones, which is interesting. I'm not sure if the old one did either. Actually, I'm pretty sure it did come with headphones. So the new iPad, iPad 3, will not come with headphones, it looks like. And let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, and just for comparison purposes, here's the iPad 2. And I can't notice a weight difference just in my hands. Maybe it's because I'm so strong, but yeah, there's no noticeable weight difference. The thickness difference is also very hard to notice. Just a little step up to the new iPad here. So those are two things I was very concerned about. We'll go ahead and power this on. And I'll bring you down here so you can see some of these things. Alright, so the one on the left there is the new iPad, iPad 3. And as you can see, there is just a slight height difference, but it's not going to be noticeable in my estimation. Still much thinner than the first iPad. Alright, so here's the new iPad. I'll set you down here. Now, doubling the resolution means you're using 4 times the number of pixels. So you're also going to be needing to use more memory. I went ahead and originally I had the 16 gigabyte and I went with the 32 gigabyte on this just because I know it's going to require a lot more memory just to do what this one's already doing. So sure, enable location. We'll go ahead and select my network here and put in my password. And there, it's connected to the internet. We'll set up as a new iPad and sign in. Agree to these things, giving Apple the right to do whatever they want, whenever they want. I've got to set this up to not go to sleep so quickly. Use iCloud. Alright, so let's see. Here are the two screens. Let's go ahead and put them at the same brightness level. So now we should be looking at an apples to apples comparison. Now let me focus here. Alright, so here are just some icons along the bottom of the new iPad. And the same icons at the same zoom of the iPad 2. See if we can pick up any difference. There's the iPad 2. And there's the new iPad. Now standing back and just looking down over this, I can tell you an obvious difference here is in the labels on everything. So the newsstand text there is much sharper and crisper, more crisp, more sharp than the same newsstand text here. Other than text, it's hard to really see a difference in the display of these iPads. So I'll be running through a host of comparison tests on these two machines, and hopefully sometime soon I'll be putting up a review of the new iPad in comparison to the iPad 2 and my recommendations on whether or not it's worth upgrading. Thanks.